Assalamu alaikum. So, if we want to know what is Dart, Dart is an open source general purpose programming language. It is originally developed by Google and later approved as a standard by ECMA. Dart is a new programming language meant for the server as well as the browser. Introduced by Google, and Dart is take a shape with its compiler, Dart Virtual Machine or Dart VM. The Dart also includes a utility Dart2JS, a transpiler that generates JavaScript equivalent of a Dart script. This tutorial provides a basic level understanding of Dart programming languages. So, as I said and previously, that is an object-oriented language with C-style syntax, which can optionally transcompiles into JavaScript. It supports a various range of programming aids like interfaces, classes, collections, generics, and optional typings. So that can be extensively used to create a single page application. Single page application apply only to website or web application, but single page application enable navigation between different screens of the website without loading a different web page in the browser. A classic example, if we want to say, like Gmail, when we click on a message in our inbox, browser stays on the same web page, but JavaScript code hides the inbox and brings the message body on screen. Like that, Google has released a special build of Chromium to Dart PM or Dart virtual machines. Using Dartium means you don't have to compile your code to JavaScript until you are ready to test it on the browser. So, if we want to compare with Dart and JavaScript, for the feature like type system, yes, Dart optional and dynamic. JavaScript also we can dynamic. Classes, yes, single inheritance, and in JavaScript, prototypical. And interfaces, yes, multiple interfaces. And JavaScript, no. Concurrency, yes, with isolated, and yes, HTML5 web workers. If we want to say in the Dart environment, Dart environment, yeah, we can use online platform like Dart.dev, where we can also practices. Mm, we can, yeah, as well many others platform we have. VS Code is also one of them. So, if we want to try to test our fast code, that is we want to print hello world. Before it, I have to say that in every programming language started with the main function where the code will be executed. So, if we want to print hello world, just a single thing, we can use single quotation or double quotation and just run it. Yes, as you know that hello world is printed.